evening. Depending on where you are watching me from, depending on your location. Please, if you are just joining for the first time, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. And also, you can see link on the description to join our Telegram group so that you will be receiving updates each time we drop new updates. Thank you. I want to say something right now because it has been a debate online. People are arguing about COTP and BN Trust. Some people are saying that BN Trust is the same thing as COTP, that COTP, the people that own COTP are the same people that own BN Trust. And that is not what I'm going to explain now because I don't know. All what I know is that BN Trust is working for now. Yes, I've tried it and I've seen it is working for now. I don't know about tomorrow. So people are arguing. People are saying all kind of things online. If you go online, if you join this Telegram group, you will understand what I'm talking about. Many people are saying different things. So say that COTP is real. Some are 100% sure that COTP is real. Some are saying if COTP is fake, that they wouldn't even give anybody any reason since they closed. They are not even supposed to tell you 2 to 3 weeks, 3 to 5 weeks. They are not supposed to give you any reason. They will just shut down. But if you look at it in a different angle, it looks like true. It looks like true. So what we are hearing right now is so as nobody can certify, nobody can come out like this and say this is what will happen. We all are just deliberating, we are just gazing. But I pray we get a positive response within the remaining weeks that we're expecting to see COTP work. So all we are praying for is that we don't want to lose our fund. We don't want to lose our fund. If COTP comes back, everything will be fine. Everybody will be fine. In fact, if COTP comes back and all the funds I have there is still intact, I will do giveaway. Yes, I will do giveaway. And the people that will win my giveaway will be the people that are always following my update, that are commenting positively. That will be the people that I will do the giveaway to, because COTP is really trying. I might even share what I have into 2 and share to my subscribers, my fans, the people that has been there for me for long. So that is it. So let's pray that COTP comes back. That is it for now. So if you want to join BN Trust for now, so that you can be receiving some certain money for now, you can join, because that is what we are doing now. Instead of staying idle, I'm doing it gradually. I don't know when it's going to crash or something like that, but for now it's working. If you want to join, I will drop link on the description for you to join, but I'm not advising anybody. It's not an advice. I'm not your financial advisor. It's for just those that wants to join, those people that used to take risks, those risk takers. So you can join with the link on the description. Yes, that is it for now. So let's see how this week, how this month will be, because we are only expecting COTP to come back this month end. So if it fails, which means there is no more hope, everybody got to lose hope. But we are praying that COTP will come back sound and healthy. So thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. Have a nice day.